Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Live Infinitely exercise ball was so fun and effective for me to expand my home gym and change things up a little bit with my home workouts. It's made with such strong materials, and when I use it, I don't have to be afraid I'm going to break it. It's actually made with professional gym grade PVC, and the horizontal ribs around it really do help to hold it without slipping. It's also BPA and latex free. And the valve to put the air in is so low profile, it doesn't affect how it sits on the floor. I have thoroughly enjoyed using this Live Infinitely exercise ball to add new exercises to my workout routine. And that's my point of view.